Bakit hindi mahuli-huli itong mayor na ito? May I ask the OSAA kung ano ng status ng warrant of arrest nitong si Mayor Go? Bakit hindi mahanap-hanap? If they have coordinated with the police agencies concerned? Bakit hindi mahuli-huli itong mayor na ito? So, as we speak, nandito pa? Attorney Arellano?
Based po sa record namin, nasa Pilipinas pa po.
Sigurado ko dyan, ha?
Yes po, yes po.
Baka nakaalis na yan, nag-private plane yan. Paano nyo matututukan kung nag-private plane yung tao?
Kasama po sa mga minomonitor namin yung lahat ng ports, airports or seaports. So, kung kahit po gumamit ng
Marami tayong
private
airports
plane,
dito, hindi lang sa Manila. Maraming mga maliliit na airports dito sa ating bansa. So how can you monitor it? Nang nakaalis?
may mga immigration officers po sa mga iba't ibang subports at seaports.
Even sa mga maliliit na airports natin, meron?
Basta
Na hindi
po
naman international airport?
international.
Halimbawa ako, pupunta ako ron sa Katarman Airport. Napakaliit. Wala naman immigration doon. Sumakay ako. Pupunta ako ron. O, tapos padala ako sa Hong Kong. Kaya ng isang maliit na aeroplano. Paano nyo mamamonitor yan?
Usually po, pag may mga chartered flights, ini-inform din po yung immigration para i-monitor namin kung sino yung mga sasakay dun sa aeroplano.
Eh, pagka fictitious yung binigay na pangalan, paano? Paano nyo mamamonitor yan?
Na-check naman po namin.
SP Pro Temp, nandito na po. I-acknowledge ko lang muna presensya ni Sen Robin. Shukran for attending the hearing. And Senator Grace, maraming salamat for joining the hearing. And SP Pro Temp, andito na rin po si General Anggan, yung ating
tatanungin
Office
ko lang
Sergeant at
kung ano
Arms.
yung status ng warrant of arrest ni Mayor Go. Bakit hindi mahanap-hanap? Have you coordinated with the PNP, NBI para mahuli?
General Angkan, sa kabila nung marami nyo ng suporta sa komite, sa tulong din ng NBI sa pagsuserve ng mga subpoena at saka warrant. So, paki-address po yung concern ni SP Pro Temp.
Madam Chair, Your Honors, before we conducted the issuance of serving the order of arrest, we coordinated with the Philippine National Police, as well as after which I connected with NBI with regard to the arrest of the 8 personalities.
So what happened? I mean, ba't hindi nyo pa mahanap?
So now I'm still checking with them, and the capability of your Senior Sergeant at Arms is only to serve, and we are purely on coordination with these law enforcement agencies, Your Honor.
Are there any representatives from the PNP or NBI present here today?
Sino pong magsasalita para sa PNP? Police Colonel Lagares, sir. And then nandito rin po SP Pro Temp ang NBI, si Deputy Director Magno.
Are you coordinating? Have you coordinated with the law enforcement agencies, General?
Madam Chair, Your Honor, I talked with the Chief of the Philippine National Police, and as well as to the Director NBI, Judge Santiago, Your Honor.
All right. Colonel Lagare.
Madam Chair, Your Honor, I'm Police Colonel John Mark J. Lagare, the Chief of Staff of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. And for that actionable item, Your Honor, we have already designated a tracker team from the Regional Field Unit and also from the higher headquarters to look for Mayor Alice Gozum, Your Honor.
The warrant of arrest has been issued by this committee a long time ago. Ba't hanggang ngayon hindi pa makuha yan? Makuha itong mayor na ito? Wala ba kayong lead?
Actually, I will first inquire for my the tracker team from the DSOyo detectives,
Ano?
the detective support operation unit yun, Your Honor, and I will give feedback.
Sino?
Mic niyo, sir.
O sige, while waiting, who's the representative from the NBI?
At SP Pro Temp, Colonel Lagare, kung maaari, bigay nyo yung sagot sa tanong ni SP Pro Temp within this hearing po. So could we hear from the NBI? Deputy Director Magno?
Mr. Chair, SP Prop, good morning, sirs. The warrant of arrest has already been cascaded to our regions and districts. As of now, our teams and most of the agents are doing their best to locate and serve the warrant of arrest of this honorable committee, Mr. Chair. Madam Chair.
Okay, the chairperson, Madam Chairperson, has made statements that Mayor Go has been very active on Facebook. Hindi nyo ba matrace yan? Yung IP address niyan?
Efforts are being done by our cybercrime group, Madam Chair.
Why is it taking so long? When did the committee issue this warrant of arrest against her? Kailan ba in-issue? July 11. Oh, 2 weeks na, hindi pa mahanap.
I will immediately check the status right now of our
Wala ba kayong
cybercrime.
lead? Asan
Mr.
siya?
Chair, we were informed that by our assets as of prior to the issuance of the warrant of arrest, there are some sightings in Bulacan. However,
Sightings lang.
sightings lang po.
Kamukha lang niya.
However, when the team went to the possible locations of the sightings, ay as of now, malalaman po natin na wala naman pong nahuli o nakita pa po. Mr. Chair, Madam
Kailan
Chair.
niyo mapapangako sa committee ito kung kailan niyo mahuli yan?
We will try our best, Madam Chair, to issue to serve the warrant of arrest soonest, and we will submit a report to this effect.
If you cannot arrest her within a month, baka maapekto ng budget ninyo.
Noted po, Madam Chair. Yes, sir. We will do our best.
Ganon din sa pulis yan. Pag hindi nyo mahanap within a month yan. Dahil we cannot just keep on waiting here. Mahina yung mga intelligence ninyo pag ganon. Ang dami-daming mga nasa-serve ng warrant of arrest yan. Mabilis mahuli. Bakit ito? Kilala lang kilala pa, hindi nyo mahuli. You better get your acts together. Kailangan may proper coordination kayo with all our law enforcement agencies. Yun sa amin, on the part of the Senate, yung saan namin, we can just do so much. Hindi naman sila kasing powerful ninyo na lahat na resources nasa inyo.